Virtualizing your network will allow you to offer more services faster. It will give you the agility to scale your network up, down, in, and out as needed. With this flexibility, you can quickly see what services provide the most value for your customers and take action on those that don't. But as you look to deploy this new virtualized network, how do you know which platform is right for you? In this tutorial, we'll review some of the key performance indicators, KPIs, to consider when selecting a platform for your network virtualization, and we'll demonstrate how the Wind River Titanium Cloud portfolio of products compare to enterprise-class software and an internally developed solution. When implementing a new system, most businesses want to understand return on investment, ROI, and total cost of ownership, TCO. We've developed a useful tool which will show how ROI and TCO are affected by these KPIs: time to market, reliability, and performance. When calculating ROI and TCO in a telco environment, you must start with some basic assumptions, such as number of years for analysis, current costs for equipment such as servers, optical ports, and switch interconnect, power consumption and the resulting cost, number of servers deployed, and number of customers served. You then need to factor in some assumptions around downtime to understand the impact downtime has on customer service level agreements, SLAs. From there, you could look at the cost of implementing Titanium Cloud versus enterprise-class software or a roll-your-own solution. This includes elements such as license fees, maintenance costs, number of engineers needed, time to deploy, expected service reliability. Once you've established a comparative baseline, you can analyze the difference in costs. Using basic assumptions, we find the ROI and TCO of using Titanium Cloud to be favorable to enterprise-class and roll-your-own solutions, and not by a small amount. But a hypothetical model is one thing, actual data is another. When we ask our customers to replace our assumptions with their own data, Titanium Cloud usually saves costs by orders of magnitude versus the alternatives, and the ROI is obvious. We invite you to try our calculator and see if we can help you to realize your goals of virtualizing your network.